In this class, we'll be looking at something else, right? So what other part we'll be looking at here is basically the group by. Now, what is the group by? The group by is just very much like, the same way you basically aggregate data. So from here now, maybe you want to aggregate data. A lot of us is we're used to using the pivot table, right? So we use the pivot table to summarize our data set, right? The same way we use the group by to summarize the data set. So I'm assuming we would like to see maybe the city, and we want to see like what is the different quantity of like what is the different what is the total sales that was made in different region, for instance. Now, what we usually do in Excel is just come here and say that we basically come and create an maybe a new sheet, and we just come and say, oh, we want to see like the region, for instance, and then we just put the region, right? Sorry, we basically put the region here. So put the region, right? And put it in the rows. Yes, exactly. And then we just decide to say, oh, what is the total sales? And we put it in the values and we come with a sum. Now, this is exactly what we did do also in using the group by. So basically we group by the region, and then we just do the sum of the sales. The same way we could come and count the number of sales also, like, we could basically count the number of sales, in different regions. So the same way we do all these things in SQL is the same way we do it the same way we do it in Excel is the same way we do it in SQL. This part of the course is just to make you see that, there's nothing really special about SQL. Everything you could maybe do in Excel is what the same thing that we're doing in SQL. It's just maybe a bit faster and, a bit much more structured query, and just making things like a lot more efficient. So that's all. See you in the next one.